Give you money, man. Then tell me what you say, I'm over now. See me give you money already, no, me not tell you lie. What you say now? Tell me what I go on.
But he left me now.
Yes. So you're mad over, man, you say? And how long now you're mad?
Look at that, man.
Home to your woman and pitney.
Which one I'm picking that?
Right.
Easy yourself, man. Easy yourself, man. You move just straight, man.
Alright, let me go home to your woman and pitney then.
You can't go to my woman and picking. Watch out. I see what you're saying.
Let me go home to your woman and pitney.
See your things are pussy.
Let me go home to your woman and pitney then.
You can't go to my woman and picking, batty boy. So, come on and left yourself. Lift up. Lift up.
What you say, mad over now?
Kaki.
Eh?
I want 5 business. Look, this can't buy the breakfast.
Me say me I go give you money, man. Then tell me what you say, mad over now.
Kaki.
See me give you money already, no, me not tell you lie. What you say now? Tell me what I go on.
Kaki. But he left me now.
Yes. So you're mad over, man, you say? And how long now you're mad?
8 years now.
Eh?
How long me attack to you, me mad, you know?
Me never do.
Let me not tell you already.
Me never know.
Me tell you already, man. How long me attack to you, me mad?
So how you know say you're mad?
The nurse tell me so I'm that I'm not a garbage, I'm not beard and then tell me said now beard back and then
So man still look like how you're mad?
No.
So how they know say you're mad? You man them, when them look you?
They see me dirty and I'm not a garbage.
Oh. So how you find that garbage feed?
Food.
So how your food smell?
Sour.
Are you still eat it?
Yes.
So then I better react smart if your food might eat sour one.
They not give me.
What make?
No.
So you feel like how you're mad?
You fuck up your man.
How you say you feel?
Fuck up.
Real man. Why you have to go make one pastor pray for you though? You not go to church and so? So you tell the pastor say you're mad? And what you say?
He pray for me.
So you feel better when he pray for you?
No.
Okay. So what you going to do again like when pastor no can't help you?
Nothing can help me. Now we not say mad same way.
And now what you say mad again? What you say mad you?
Kaki.
What you do you fret over it or you get too much?
I too much when he get.
And you just freak out.
Now I'm just free coat, get out from me head.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you live good and you live fine and grow up ahead. Believe with woman. So you remember your man here?
Carry on.
Yeah. How long you live with her?
About 7 months.
7 months?
Yeah.
So when she mash up now you come back?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
But because you mash up down here,
you come to mash up down here, son?
Yes.
But what does Carry on did realize? Can't be listen after, yeah?
Yeah.
You know it's a mind no good but your head worse than mine.
No.
Listen up. For your father set of people, a half madman. And your mother set of people, a half. And you get your father half, and you get your mother half. That make how much?
No full half.
Full blood, not half full half, full.
Oh, I don't full half.
And a full half, full madman. So you get half on one side and half on one
Will your
side.
mother mean?
You feel so confident?
Yeah.
But listen, confident. And 2 things, they're not picking madman. You know how?
Pussy.
Yes. And gun.
Yes.
Because they give madman and gun. They're going to shoot innocent people.
See when I go name back.
Yeah, they're going to shoot innocent people. I use to shoot themselves. Because one boy shoot himself down to the other end. And police falling. And when madman get pussy, they turn. They're mad was how them mad. So they.
Well, I saw that happen then.
They're not that happen to your camping.
So you want to look at it?
If me get in half sense. If me get in half sense.
Can I reserve? Want to buy juice? Thursday, can I reserve? Saturday evening, dog. Me a decent dog.
Lift up them one, you two foot them dog. Me say for do.
Saturday evening, dog.
Keep. Yo.
You Now let work off.
Yo, pussy, I'm myself do.
Go get money. Your police them have for me there.
Police attack you again? Which part of police attack you? Yeah? Eh? In Jackie? Police attack you again there?
We don't need them for us. Yeah.
Why?
And the big band one, she a bad man for me.
Who that? You see a big brother, I don't know what they were coming over.
You still ask me that.
No, no, never there. I wasn't here. Some accident.
Jackie.
We never there.
Oh yeah, you never there. You never there.
Yes, I was trying to see a big body one for 1 day when come over and see it. So.
Well, I'm going to come with clothes off for me.
For
fuck her.
In the shop? No, but that's not right. In a business place, that can't right. That.
It's not shop again. It's not shop again. Right? One time.
A fuck house.
From yesterday, me know saying that's for the shop. Squeeze me, what, Jack? Good beggar. Squeeze.
Where's the buzzer, man? Oh, God, man. I want to deal with man. Chris, I can't style like Chris. Eh? Or if you have a shop? No, it doesn't.
You see? I'm like, come on. I never give you a leader. You don't really leader. Burn! 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 The guy's full champion! Burn! Jesus Christ! What you come here?
You don't have to call man Jesus. You burn out that thing there.
Come in, take a shot.
Guys are there, you know. Guy. Oi. I'm going to take it. Free party. In a stadium. Eh?
Take your shots now. Drink your rum, sure.
But give me. What are you trying to do?
Fever.
But why not this?
Fever, see that? Cartel rum.
So why not this? Street boys.
Yeah.
So, but man, chaser.
A shot here, take dog. One shot and then a comfy.
We are called dog.
Alright. Brian, come in now. Take your shots, make the people them see dog. Take your shots.
Well, I'm done.
Come in, take your shots. Ah, Tio. So you mash up your cup, you don't want one next shot.
Yeah, Jack, but